Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the Canvas Mockup bundle with 12 layouts in Photoshop. So first of all, you want to open up the Layers panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, Layers, or press F7 to bring up the Layers panel. You'll see a bunch of clearly labeled layers. There's 12 canvas layouts, so click on the one you want and then double click this Smart Object thumbnail. This will open up a PSD file where you can just paste your designs in. So then go to File, Open, find your design, and then go to Select All, and then Edit, Copy. You can close that and go to Edit, Paste. If the size isn't exactly right, if it's too big or too small, you can go to Edit, Free Transform. And you can resize the design. You may need to hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional, but Adobe recently changed this. So you'll see if it's resizing proportionally or not, and you'll figure out whether or not you need to hold down the Shift key. And then when you've got that size to the right size, go to File, Save, and then you can close it. File, Close. And you'll see your design is on the canvas just like that easy. And there are 6 background layers you can choose. Just click the little spot next to the layer and you'll see the eye icon, toggle on and off, and select the wall that you want as a background. And when you're ready to save it, you can go to File, Export As, to export it as a JPEG for use on sites like Etsy. If you'd like to move the canvases around a little bit, you can turn the eye icon on in your desired layout. And you can just click on the canvases, hold down the Shift key to select more than one, and you can move them around as desired. If they get out of place, you can use the Align controls to line them back up. So make sure the Move tool is selected, and then just click one of the Align controls to align them by the left edges, the right edges, the top. You can also create your own canvas layout. To do that, you don't want to just duplicate the layers, because then it links to smart objects and it puts your design in unexpected places. Instead, you want to hold down the Control key and then click on one of the canvases and select New Smart Object via Copy. And this will create a new independent smart object, and you can just keep holding down the Control key and selecting New Smart Object via Copy as many times as you want. And then when you're satisfied, hold down the Shift key, select all the layers you just created, and then press Control G on a PC or Command G on a Mac, and that'll group all the layers into a nice layout for you. And make sure the eye icons are turned on and that they're turned off on any other layouts you don't want to see it currently. You can use the Free Transform tool again to size them. And then hit Enter when you're okay. You can use the Move tool to move them around. Use the Align controls if you wish. And then when you're all done, you just need to double click the Smart Object thumbnail to insert your designs again. Of course, save it and export it as JPEG when you're all done. And now you're all done. Please let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a great evening, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, this Canvas Mockup bundle and a lot of other mockups are availabmockups.com. Thank you.